Hey guys, welcome back to episode 20.
Hey, we're Harry and Nikki. We're 22 and 21 years old, and in November 2020, we bought a 17-seater Ford Transit minibus, which we're currently converting into our tiny home on wheels. Our aim is to travel around Europe as soon as the pandemic allows. We have documented our whole campervan conversion process so far, so keep watching to see what we've done this week.
So this week is basically the last week until we're completely finished with our van. So we've made up a little to-do list of all the small jobs that are actually going to take quite a long time until we're completely done. So next week you'll probably be seeing a van tour. But basically we've just got a lot of things to do, as you can see, and we're going to try and tick them all off and get them done. So come along and join us doing these jobs. Oh my god, it's so windy.
I can have a storm out here. But what are we doing? What do we get?
We've got these 3 mirrors from the range. They're really small little mirrors and they're so light, they're literally made of plastic, but they look quite nice. They were £5 and we're just putting them onto the side of our wardrobe so when we come in and go out of the van we can check ourselves out.
Okay guys, so we're now going to crack on with spray painting our bumpers and our wheels. We're going to be using some black spray paint that we got from Poundland, nice and cheap, and we're just going to scrub it down first and get on with that.
Cool.
It is time now to crack on with our shelves. We're going to be building 3 shelves, 2 for our overheads up here and 1 over there for above our kitchen. Have you just panned away from it because you see a shelf?
Yeah.
A shelf. Well, they can see that we've done 1 shelf, we just didn't do the intro yet. There's 1 shelf. So we're going to be building 2 more of them now. Cue the montage. Ow! Where are the Allen keys? I see that, job done.
What are you doing?
I'm just taking some pictures for our Instagram.
Oh!
What a convenient time to go follow our Instagram, guys. If you haven't already, put up nice photos before and after, so go follow us on Instagram at The Van Vicious Project. Yeah, nothing more to say, really.
Just do.
Something about you supernatural. I get goosebumps every time you call.
Good night.
Oh, night. This is cozy. Oh, it's actually really like, we actually like sink into it a lot.
Yeah, it's comfy as well. I could probably sleep like this.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
Okay, so now we're going on to wiring our sink. So basically,
Our sink. Wiring
tap. So we've basically got a 12 volt submersible pump. We bought this thinking it was a 12 volt tap, but it's not, it's just a drinking water tap. So we now need to sell this. And then we've actually now bought a 12 volt tap. As you can see, it's got the 12 volt ends on it and it's got an on off switch. So now we need to wire it up. But to do that, our hole now is not big enough because it needs to fit the wires and this. So I'm going to drill down into this and make a second hole to make it bigger. Okay, that was scary.
Okay guys, so we've just stripped back some 1.5mm core 2-core cable, and we're going to run the positive to the positive of our fuse box, the negative to the negative of our fuse box, which obviously connects up to our battery, and then on the other end to wire up our tap and our 12 volt whale pump. We're going to connect the positive of our tap straight to the positive of our battery, so this positive wires up to our tap. We're then going to connect the negative of our tap to the positive of our pump, which sounds counterintuitive, but it makes a circuit. And then to complete that circuit, we connect the negative of the pump to the negative of the battery. Hopefully that will make sense. We're just going to be using some small red butt connectors just to connect them together and then crimp it together. So we'll show you how we do all that now.
So this is literally the submersible pump. This is the wire that the submersible pump comes with, and it has a positive and negative 12 volt wire at the end, which we've wired up. This just comes with a little tube that stops here. So we put our normal tube that's attached to our tap to here, because that's where it gets its water from, inside there. All you do is literally drop it in, so easy. Oh, drop it in, feed it down, and that is it.
Okay guys, so we just went to our local little plumbing store and we went and got a little U-bend piece, I think it's called. We just asked the guy and he helped us just fit it. We brought our little plug with us, so he kind of just talked us through it and helped us with it because we're not very good at it. But all we're going to do now is fit this back into our sink and then fit this into our grey tank, and then hopefully our water's working.
So we've had to jig the top off because our draining pipe wouldn't fit through the hole. So yeah, brilliant.
Shebang. So this.
Does it fit? Yeah, perfect.
We're going to give this a shot.
Let's just do it. If not, we'll run for a towel. Ready? Oh my god!
Turn it off.
Oh my god!
Now we've got to see where it's going.
You just went. Okay. Oh, hello.
Yeah, hello.
Wait, this is a good angle.
No, it's not, is it? It's close, isn't it?
No, it's just you look very tall. Huh?
Shit!
What?
We're taking off.